Welcome to course number 10, Financial Planning and Goal Setting. In this lecture, we'll explore retirement savings, focusing on two of the most common tools, the 401k and the IRA. Even though retirement might feel far away, the earlier you start planning, the more secure your future will be. Retirement planning matters because one day you'll stop working, but you'll still need income to support your lifestyle. Social Security alone is often not enough. By contributing to retirement savings accounts early, you take advantage of compound growth and ensure financial independence later in life. A 401k is an employer-sponsored retirement plan. You contribute part of your paycheck before taxes, which reduces your taxable income now. Employers often offer matching contributions, which is essentially free money toward your retirement. Your savings grow tax-deferred until you withdraw them in retirement. The benefits of a 401k include tax advantages, employer matches, and higher contribution limits compared to IRAs. It's a powerful way to save for the long term. However, 401ks may have limited investment choices, depending on your employer's plan. An IRA, or individual retirement account, is a personal retirement savings account you can open through a bank, brokerage, or financial institution. Unlike a 401k, it's not tied to an employer, so anyone with earned income can contribute, subject to annual limits. There are two main types of IRAs, traditional and Roth. Traditional IRA contributions may be tax deductible and your money grows tax deferred. Roth IRA contributions are made with after-tax dollars, but withdrawals in retirement are tax-free. Choosing between them depends on whether you want the tax benefit now or later. Contribution limits are important to understand. As of recent years, the annual contribution limit for a 401k is much higher than for an IRA. For example, workers under 50 can contribute up to $22,500 to a 401k, while the IRA limit is $6,500. Staying within limits ensures you maximize benefits without penalties. Both 401ks and IRAs are designed for retirement, so withdrawing money early, before age 59 and a half, can result in taxes and penalties. There are exceptions, such as for education or first-time home purchases with certain IRAs, but overall, it's best to leave retirement savings untouched until retirement. Let's consider Alex, who starts a job at age 22 with a company that offers a 401k match. Alex contributes enough to get the full match and also opens a Roth IRA for extra savings. By starting early, Alex benefits from compound growth, employer contributions, and the flexibility of having both accounts. Even if you're still in school or just starting your career, learning about retirement savings now puts you ahead. Starting small, contributing even $25 a month, can grow into significant wealth over decades. The habits you build today will shape your long-term financial future. To summarize, a 401k is an employer-sponsored plan with tax-deferred growth and potential employer matches, while an IRA is a personal account with flexibility and tax advantages. Both are essential tools for retirement planning. The key is to start early, contribute consistently, and let time and compounding work for you. This concludes our discussion about retirement savings, 401k, IRA. In the next lesson, we will learn about the role of insurance in financial planning. See you then.